Hello, fourth graders. This is Miss Mills. I'm going to read your words from Syllables and Affixes, Sort 31. So to begin, please set up your page. If you are doing your test digitally on a sheet, make sure and set it up like I have here with your headings and the sample words. And your total number of words today is 27. If you're doing this on paper, just make sure you have 3 clear headings and space below them to write your words. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Number 1. Oh wait, first I'll read the heading word, sorry. So spider is the ER ending, collar, AR ending, and color, OR ending. Okay, now we can get started. Number 1 is favor. Can you do me a favor? Favor. Number 2, harbor. The ship finally pulled into the harbor. Harbor. Number 3, cellar. Can you grab a jar of pickles from the cellar? Cellar. Number 4, rumor. Where did you hear that rumor? Rumor. Number 5, lunar. The Chinese New Year is dependent on the lunar calendar. Lunar. Number 6, tractor. The tractor rolled through the field. Tractor. Number 7, cover. Cover the pot and it will boil more quickly. Cover. Number 8, sugar. Do you like sugar in your tea? Sugar. Number 9, nectar. The bees were buzzing after all of the nectar from the flowers. Nectar. Number 10, after. I will brush my teeth after dinner. After. Number 11, doctor. It's time for a checkup at the doctor. Doctor. Number 12, weather. It's the perfect weather for a hike. Weather. Number 13, dollar. Do you have a dollar I can borrow? Dollar. Number 14, motor. I don't know what happened. The motor just stopped. Motor. Number 15, solar. We installed solar panels on our camper. Solar. Number 16, brother. I have one brother. Brother. Number 17, flavor. What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? Flavor. Number 18, rather. I would rather eat ice cream than cake. Rather. Number 19, flower. I love to be given a flower. Flower. Number 20, father. My father lives in Michigan. Father. Number 21, polar. I saw a polar bear at the zoo. polar. 22. Cedar. In the woods, I saw a giant cedar tree. Cedar. 23. Silver. The water looked silver as the sun reflected off of the waves. Silver. 24. Mother. My mother's name is Rebecca, but everyone calls her Becky. Mother. Number 25, mirror. Be careful not to drop the mirror. Mirror. Number 26, grammar. Make sure you've used proper grammar for your final draft. Grammar. And 27, error. I hope I have not made a single error on this video. Error. All right, friends, so I hope by giving each of those words numbers, it has helped you keep track, but go through and count to see how many words you have. Make sure you have 27. If you're missing one, you can always go back and re-listen to see what you missed or ask your teacher for help. I'm sure you did a fantastic job. Don't forget to put your name on your paper if you're doing this test on paper. And if you're doing it on Google Classroom, make sure to turn it in after you've clicked into a different box where there's no writing, so it doesn't delete the last word that you wrote. All right? Have a great day.